Are you facing challenges during hammer peening? In this video, we will showcase how hammer peening can be done efficiently for simple or even complex parts, using automatic and efficient ModuleWorks technology. Some of the major challenges faced during the hammer peening are: manual control of hammer peening can lead to surface irregularities. To achieve consistent results, precise management of peening parameters such as impact force, frequency, and coverage is essential. Programming complex parts for hammer peening involves significant challenges. The process demands completing complex and large parts in a single operation to ensure consistent surface finishing across the entire part. Ensuring collision-free operation is difficult because we lack advanced simulation tools. This makes it hard to simulate and verify the toolpath. ModuleWorks hammer peening product is an automatic and efficient industry-proven solution, ideal for CAM software developers, machine tool builders, and robot OEMs or integrator companies. Using advanced control systems to manage lead or lag and side tilt angles, we can adjust parameters in real time. This fine-tunes the peening process, ensuring a uniform surface finish across the entire part. Our solution enables the machining of complex and large parts in a single operation, maintaining a constant step-over between each toolpath slice, even on complex geometries. The system continuously monitors the proximity of the part, tool, and holder, ensuring collisions are automatically prevented during toolpath calculation. For collision detection, users can specify both the drive and check surfaces. The system automatically connects the individual toolpath passes according to the chosen strategy, which can be zigzag or one-way. The links are collision-free. ModuleWorks hammer peening technology was developed through extensive research with industry partners. It has been successfully deployed in various production environments to address real-world challenges, proving its reliable implementation. As a result, ModuleWorks hammer peening provides many benefits such as high surface finish in one operation with modern peening tools, simplified production of complex parts through precise control and intuitive parameter settings, safer and reliable toolpath using advanced simulation and verification options, increased productivity with automated toolpath generation that requires minimum inputs,